Hello everyone, today I discuss about class 11th English. Three question पिले आज गोटे इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन नहीं कि पलि आसी तो पिले आज आम डिस्कसन कर थ्री क्वेश्चन बाय लियो टोलस्टॉय स्टोरीटा बहुत भल लग्सी पिले स्टोरी थोड़े जे बुझीचे से जानीचे केनता लग्सी जे तो जेन माने भी चैनल के नुआ आइछ चैनल के सब्सक्राइब करो वीडियो जदि भल लगुचे लाइक कमेंट शेयर करो जदि तुम्हें आउ आमर चैनल भिडियो रे 3 4 5 चैप्टर क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कसन वीडियो अपलोड हो सारी जब तुम्हें देखी ना से वीडियो गुड़ाक वीडियो को देखी नियो देन थ्री क्वेश्चन वीडियो भी देख तो तुमको जो चैप्टर क्वेश्चन आंसर दरकार तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करो मुझे क्वेश्चन आंसर वीडियो नहीं कि आसबि तो आज आम डिस्कसन करवा थ्री क्वेश्चन तो प्रथम आम देखा इंट्रोडक्शन तो ऑथर लियो टॉलस्टॉय born in 1828 death in 1910 से जड़े was an Russian writer who primarily wrote novels and short stories later in life. He also wrote play and essay. He War and Peace and Anna Karenina are acknowledged as two of the greatest novel of time. बुझेगा पे मैंने लियो टॉलस्टॉय जन्मग्रहण करते 1828 मसीह मृत्युवरण करते 1910 मसीह से जड़े रूसियान लेखक हु प्राइमेरी रोड्स ए नोवेल एंड सर्ट स्टोरी से नोवेल्स एंड सर्ट स्टोरी लिखिथन से लाइफ बाबद थी लिखिछन. ही ऑल्सो रोड्स प्ले एंड एजे. ही वाज ही वार एंड पीस एंड अन्ना कारेनिना आर एक्नॉलेज एज टू ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट नोवेल ऑफ ऑल टाइम. देन फिर आम क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन आड़ को जीवा. यूनिट वन क्वेश्चन कौन कही बोले what were the three questions that occurred to the talking. What did he do get the answer to his question. तो आंसर पिले आंसर है यूज पिले the three questions that occurred to the king were if he was always aware of the right time to stay everything, whether he had the knowledge of who the perfect people to listen to and whom to get rid of, and at last if he was alive to do what the most genuine work to perform. To get the answer to his question, he announced a great reward for anybody who would answer these three questions satisfactorily. The couple the three questions that occur to the talking to the king where if he was always aware of the right time to the start everything, whether he had the knowledge of who the perfect people to listen to and whom to get rid of, and at last if he was alive to the most genuine work to perform. To get the answer to his question, he announced a great reward for anybody who would answer these three questions satisfactorily. Then second question please. What answer did the wise man give to his first question? What answer? फास्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर का थ्री क्वेश्चन पे तुम स्टोरी पढ़ीच थ्री क्वेश्चन तीन टा क्वेश्चन थी ताले तुम माइंड नहीं आसुवा तो फास्ट क्वेश्चन आंसरटा काଣା बोल से पचारे फास्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर है देख इंटरेस्टिंग द द हैप्पी प्रोस्पेक्ट ऑफ बीइंग रिवार्डेड बाय किंग फेबुलियसली attracted many wise men. They made a beeline to the presence of the king, hoping to answer his questions. In reply to the first question, some suggested that the king ought to consult a table of days, month, and year in order to know the right time to do the right work. Other advised him to consult a council, yet there were some who even suggested to the king to seek the help of a magician in the matter. देख पे फास्ट क्वेश्चन काण रहा तुम माने फास्ट क्वेश्चन तुम रही जाऊे some suggested that king out to consult a table day month and year in order to know the right time to right work. Then next question, 3 number question. How did the wise man answer his second question? Wise man second question answer केनता देले तो देखो पहले. In reply to the second question, the wise men were not unanimously in their answer. Some said that king should consult his counselors, others said he should consult priests and doctors, while some said the warriors were the most necessary. सबके सबे सबकर opinion दिले. Then next, what answer did the king get? Third question. Third question. The king got various answers for his third question from the wise men. In their opinion, they different from each other. Some wise men replied that the important thing in the world was science. To others, it was skill in warfare. The answer did not end there. Some other wise men replied that was religious worship. Then next question, unit 1 last question please. 5 number question. Why did he decide to consult a hermit? Why did he decide to consult a hermit? Different answer to his their important question failed to satisfy the king. In other words, he did not subscribe to any of the answer provided by the wise man. There was a hermit who was exceedingly famous for his wisdom. Therefore, the king decided to consult a hermit. ବୁଝିହେଲା ୟୁନିଟ୍ 1 ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରି ସାରିଦେଲେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଯେତେ ବି ପିଲା ଦେଖୁଛ ଏଇ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କି ଏତ୍କି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯେତ୍କି ବି ଦେଖିଲ ଦିଲ୍ ସେ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍ ଫର୍ ୱାଚିଂ ଦିସ୍ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ତୁମେ ଏଇ ଭିଡ଼ିଓକେ ଦେଖିଛ ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟି ଦେଇକିନା କହିବି ତୁମେ ଗୋଟେ ତୁମର ପାଠ ପଢ଼ାନେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡସେଟ୍ କରିସାରିଛ ମୁଁ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟି ଦେଇକିନା କହିବି ତୁମର ଇଂଲିଶ ଚାପ୍ଟର୍ନେ ବା ଇଂଲିଶ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ ପୁରା 100ରୁ 100% ରହିବା ପିଲାମାନେ ତୁମର ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ପାଖ ପାଖ ତୁମେ ତ ପିଲେ ଏବେ ତୁମେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର୍ ଅଛ ତ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର୍ ଯେତେক্ষণ ହେଇଯିବ ସେତେক্ষণ ତୁମର ଇଂଲିଶ पूरा क्लीयर ऑल क्लीयर हो जाता तुमको किसी भी असुविधा नहीं है मुझे सेकेंड इयर पिला लगे भी वीडियो क्लास नहीं कि आउचे से भी वीडियो देखुचन तो ताकर लगे जेहेतु से वर्ष एग्जाम देवे ताकर लगे बहुत इजी एंड सिंपल वर्ड ने सब तैयारी कराऊँच टाइपिंग मैंने बहुत ये हो तो ताकर लगे भी एखान एग्जाम पाक पाक ताकर पेसेज पाराग्राफ सिनोमिन्स डिक्शनरी किल सबुतिर प्राक्टिस सेट पलि आसवा पे मैंने तो तुम्हें भी फास्ट इयर अच्छ तो तुम लगे एवं प्राक्टिस सेट आरम्भ कले तुमको सेकेंड इयर में किसी असुविधा नहीं हुए तो चैनल के बहुत मात्रा में सब्सक्राइब करो लाइक शेयर कमेंट सब्सक्राइब करो बहुत मात्रा में थैंक यू सो मच।